Having problems with your Sony product? Visit our support website to find out how to fix the problem and contact us if you need help. You can scan this QR code with your mobile device to get to the support website. You will be forwarded to your local support website for the most relevant support contents. Click on the chatbot icon for quick assistance. Select the desired topic and our chatbot will provide the information to you. To proceed, you will need to enter the product model name. If you do not know your product model name, click on How to find my model name. If you could not find the desired information in the chatbot, you may go to Model Support page to find more information. On the Model Support page, you can locate other information such as firmware and software downloads, manuals and Q&As. You can also type your question directly to search for any relevant answer. Click on the relevant search result. If you are still unable to resolve your problem, you can contact your local customer service agent via these methods. If you wish to receive notifications on the latest firmware updates and get easy access to our support contents on your mobile device, scan this QR code to download the Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.